Yeah. It's your girl, TheKyannaAlexandra. Here's your ticket to the fashion show. You already know how it go, baby. As you can tell by today's title, we are doing a small little FashionNova haul, okay? You know, for the plus size and curvy babes. I know how I do. Here is the bag right here. Yes, I opened it because I was looking for something and I realized they didn't send it to me. So, if we have any indicator of how this is gonna go, I'm already nervous. But let's hop right into the stinking video. So the first thing I'm picking up out of this bag is this Sporty era polo shirt. I got this in a size 2X, and truly I wanted to stop buying graphic tees. I think I said that in my last video, and I want to do something different. I kind of want to, you know, branch out a little bit. So this is the cute shirt that we have right here. We gotta try it on, but this is so pretty, and I have shoes to match this to the tee. That's why I also got this cute shirt. Let's put it on, let's put it on, let's put it on. All right, so this is the shirt. I'm not gonna lie, it fits a bit tighter than what I was expecting. I was really expecting the shirt to be like a little looser here, but it does have a stretchy material, so it's not bad. I just was not expecting this fit on this type of shirt. I really wanted something a bit looser on the side, something that could flow a bit better, you know, nice little movement. But this is what it is right now. It's still cute, still tea. I'm still gonna dress it up, of course, but not the fit I was looking for. Maybe I could size up, but again, like, this is meant to, you know, it's meant to be on the body tightly, not be an oversized loose type of shirt. So if you like this is the shirt. Let's move on. So the next thing we have out of our bag is the Sticking With It Stretch Straight Leg Jean, okay? And the reason why I got this is because I saw somebody on TikTok with it, and I knew it was in my cart already. And then when she put it on, I was like, oh yeah, let me just hit send, let me just hit pay, let me just push the trigger on the pants. So here they are. She did say they ran a little big, so to either size down or get your size. But this is what the jeans look like. They're so stinking cute. But you know those shoes that you can like snap on and off? These are kind of the same thing here, but they do have like actual buttons and they're not like snapper buttons. So let's just put it on, see how it fits. Hopefully I did not make okay, hopefully I did not make the wrong decision with the size, but let's see. All right, so these are the jeans right here, and I think they're very cute. I'm gonna like play with some buttons real quick, but here's the issue. The waist part a bit tight. Just like I needed something just a tad bit bigger. Like as you can see, like it do fit me, right? But oh guys, like I just don't like the way it feel around my waist. So you can do things like this. You do it like that. Okay, you see that? Yeah, you do things like that. So I'm so excited about that. But around the waist just was a bit too tight. This is a 16 plus. So if you have like a bigger midsection like how I do, you might want to size up just so it can fit and sit comfortably on you. For me, as of right now, I think I would just like kind of, you know, wear it like this because it does feel a bit tight. Your girl gotta drop some pounds, okay? Your girl gotta drop some pounds. That's absolutely fine. But like everything else here, like the legs part, everything else is fine. It is just the waist. But this is so stinking cute. I love that you could do these with the jeans. That's exactly why I got them, because I'm about to be having them all rolled up and all that type of stuff. This is so cute. Yeah, I love these so much. I'm about to play with this so that, as you can see on your screen, how I like to play with them real quick. But yeah, stinking cute, real cute. Yeah. All right, so the next thing that we pull out of the bag, it is the topic of discussion, slim barrel leg jean, okay? So I have seen a trend with the barrel legs, and I was like, I want a barrel leg jean so bad, and I'm glad FashionNova did it, because everybody else that I've seen that had them, baby, they want like 100, 200. I'm not paying $200 just because the jean come like this. You are bugged out, okay? But luckily, FashionNova always be on beat, always be on trend. Hello, so I got me a pair of the barrel jeans. These are size 18 plus. So let's see, because they said they had no stretch to them. And for me, when jeans from FashionNova have no stretch, I have to get an 18 plus because I have to accommodate that they don't have no stretch, no give, no nothing. So these are the jeans here, and I might wear them tonight, but they look a bit long and I'm already scared, but let's see. All right, well, I see we have a sizing issue this video because these kind of fit, not too big, but I don't know. I don't even think I like the way these fit. And then to top it off, I don't even have like the barrel look to them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, y'all. What y'all, do y'all think I should return these? Because this is not giving me barrel at all. Like, it's supposed to come out like this. And that's how it came out in the photo, looking at the girl like this. But one, I think these are too big for me. So they just feel like straight leg jeans. And two, ain't no barrel. And I wanted to wear these tonight, but I don't think I am. These look like a boring pair of straight leg jeans and not barrel jeans. Where's the barrel? Well, I wanna be rolling. Where the barrel at? Like, do y'all see a barrel on me? No. Oh. See, I knew this was gonna be a weird, video because they didn't even put my sunglasses in the bag. So like, we thought everything was gonna fit with no sunglasses. Come on now. All right, so the next thing that we got in here is the not high maintenance baby doll tee. I got this in a size 3X because I wanted it to fit with some room. Okay, I'm looking for room in my tops right now, and I want room in this top. Okay, so we're gonna see what this one is about. It's a nice cute baby doll tee. I know I love me a little baby doll. This is how it fits, this is how it looks. Oh, I like the material. This is a long baby doll tee. Ooh, this might be one of my favorites. Hello? Let's see, because I'm not about to get hyped. And then my glasses, so my sunglasses that I bought were this green, this shade of green right here, and it had like a tortoise kind of frame to it, and it would have eaten with this. Anyway, okay, so this is the first thing that I've liked the way it fit on me all day, all whole, or whatever. I love the way this fits. I got a little bit of room, what I asked for. I want a little bit more room, but I'm not gonna complain. This is really cute. Y'all know I just have, you know, so anything I put on, half the material goes to here because, you know, it's just here and I can't do anything about that. But I love the way this shirt fits. I think it's so cute. I think it looks really, really good. Again, if I had the barrel jeans, like, anyway, shirt's cute. I really like it. Super cute, super tee, on point. There's nothing more to say about it. This is the only thing that I feel 100% about right now. All right, so this shirt I was actually really excited to get, and then let me tell you the story about this shirt. So I seen this shirt on FashionNova and I said, ooh, I got too many jerseys. I don't know if I want to get a jersey. And then I seen it on somebody on Instagram and I said, I'm going to get it. So I got it. And then of course, when I go back to try to get the red one, they're both out of stock. Glad I did it. Anyway, so this is the Tokyo Crowd Pleaser Polo tee. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. And I was like, I hope it fits the way I think it's gonna fit me. Oh, this is so tea, so tea, so, hello. And then it says race and then club, race club on the sleeves. And it feels so soft. Wow. Okay, let's try it on. I'm excited. I really hope this fits. I'm so excited. Oh my God. I'm already nervous. This video has not been going the way I wanted to. This try on haul has not been going the way I wanted to. And I'm nervous. But I want this to fit so well. Oh my God, because I already have an outfit in my head. Ugh. Y'all, I could cry. I could cry. I love this shirt. I could cry right now. This fits so good. This is exactly what I wanted to do. Exactly how I wanted to fit. Real straight line. I could, you know, like play with it, whatever, but no. Just like this, or maybe like hike it up a little bit if I'm wearing like a little skirt. This shirt. I'm hyped. Because this is the one thing, not the one thing, but this is the one thing as of right now that fits really well. And I love it. You can't tell me nothing. This Yo, this right here. Yeah. 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 Love it. Love it, love it, love it. It's not so say. I got it in 2X. That's it. I could have gone for 3X if I wanted like a bigger fit, but this is perfect. This fits so perfect. And the last thing I got were these pair of boots here. These are called Bexie, Bexie. They are white. These are in a size 10. And I know you lying. For as long as I've ordered anything on FashionNova, they have never put anything in the box. The glasses that I was talking about are in the shoebox. They have never done this. I've never ordered anything on FashionNova and they've done this. That's crazy. So now I gotta go tell them, haha, kidding, I found the glasses. Anyway, wow, that's so annoying. That's so annoying. Anyway, they've never done that, dog. What is this? Okay. Oh, okay. So. What is going on? So these are these are so tea. These are the white boots that I bought. Okay, white boots. And remember how I was telling you about the jeans, that they are like a snappable whatever. You can like style them how you want. That's what these little flaps are. So these little flaps, you can literally put them on the boot how you want them to be on the boot, okay? And then boom, you go about your merry little business. So I'm just gonna do a little something right now. Don't take this seriously. I'm just gonna put things together and see what I come up with. I don't know, y'all. Do not, like I said, do not, please do not take this serious at all. So this is what I came up with. Okay, this is dumb, but maybe I could just leave it like this. Girl, I don't know, okay? But I'm gonna try them on. I'm gonna put the other snappies on, try them on, and then see what's what. All right, so these are the shoes on me right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, like, they don't feel good. These are uncomfortable. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. These feel very, very tight. As you can see on the screen somewhere, I got it, because these feel very tight. These are very uncomfortable. Like, I just feel like I won't be able to comfortably walk in these. Like, these would have to be, somebody would have to drop me off in front of where I gotta go, pick me back up, and I can't walk anywhere. I don't like that. And I don't even have the back zippered yet. Like, I didn't even get a chance to zip the back. Okay, that's cool, but like, I don't know. I thought with like a lesser heel, because it's like a 3.5, so I thought with like a lesser heel, it would be able to balance out, feel, I don't know. These don't feel good. Like, around my foot area feels a bit tight. And I think it's because I just have a wide foot, but I don't know. I'm gonna keep them because I think they're really cute. If anything, I'm using them for content, but like, to actually go out with them, I don't know. Also, I like how the jeans look with the boots like this, but again, these are supposed to be barrel jeans, not just baggy jeans. So I'm still on the fence about that, but this is what it looks like. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know about these boots, but they're dumb cute though. They're cute though. Alright, you guys, and that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fashion haul. Let me know what piece is your favorite. Let me know if you plan to get anything that I put from this haul on FashionNova. I don't know, y'all. This was like a, I'm gonna call this like a 7 out of 10, maybe a 6.5 out of 10. I don't know. I just had more wrong than good in this haul, and I prefer more good than wrong, of course. Like the last one, everything was across the board 10 out of 10, but this one was kind of like, ugh. So I don't know. Oh, let me try the glasses. Hold on. See, like how I'm walking right there? Nah, I don't like that. I don't like that. Oh, these are the glasses. Oh, so tea. Oh, so cute. I'm keeping these. Oh my god. And I needed these yesterday. That's a problem. I recorded a sunglasses video yesterday hoping that these were in here, and I couldn't find them, only for them to still be in here anyway. This is so stupid. Anyway, look at this. Tea. T in it. Stupid. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Okay, follow me on all my social medias. They'll be on the graphic on the screen. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.